Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to show you how to put TikTok videos in slow motion. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's get started. I have TikTok already open, and say this is the video I want to put in slow motion. The first thing you want to do is save that video. So you're going to click on the arrow and then save video. The next you're going to put done. The next we're going to go into our Safari, and we're going to type in slow-mo a video. You don't need to download a new application or anything. It's just going to be a website. But we're going to come down to this website, ezgif.com, and click on that. So now it's giving you this option of choosing a video from your computer or phone in this case. And we're going to choose this. Choose. You can actually choose any video you want, but there you go. And then upload video. So right now it's uploading and it's done here, and this is the original video. And here it's giving you the option to either speed it up or slow it down. 0.5 is the slowest you can go, 50% of the speed, and then up to 2 times the speed. And you can just do that by changing that there. And you can also have the option of changing speed of sound, so it's like at the same time, which is recommended so it's not all messed up. And then once you figured all that out, you can change video speed. And now under output is the new video speed. And so we'll watch the first one. Fast milk pour, and then, chopping really quickly. And our new video is 50% slower. Slow milk pour, and the slow chopping of the Oreo. Alright, so there you go. There's your video downloaded. You can just click the save button and then download. And here we go. Our slow-mo video in your photos. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, don't forget to subscribe.